a very sketchy elevator. Wow. Holy shit. Oh my god, it just re-leveled up. Jesus Christ. I'm having second thoughts about riding this thing. Capital elevator. All right. Oh boy, I'm not excited. LL is left. All right, up to 2. It smells like people have smoked crack in here. Like, that's not even a joke. It actually smells like crack. Jesus. What a fucking shit show. I don't want to get, like, fucking het from touching that button. Capital. I don't want to bother opening the phone cabinet. I just don't want to touch that, you know? The less I touch in this fucking elevator, the better. Ugh.